Hello, welcome to another video. You may be wondering what that thing is. Well, it is a 3D printer. We got a 3D printer. We got a 3D printer. It's crazy. It's like printing this house thing, and yeah, it's really cool. It takes a while. Little noise like that. It's got lights. It's got USB stick. So it's not only has the lights, it comes with a USB stick, and you can put files on it, and it also has the backup files that and backup instructions to the printer, and you make a file, yes, you split it, set it to the USB stick, put it in, bam. And yeah, it's really cool. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, please, and thank you.